YouTube, try stars. No, honestly, no. Honestly, YouTube. Seriously. My windscreen got broken by a crack, by a rock, right? And was running along the screen. Anyway, the longer the short of the story. I came in and they gave me a number to call a guy to fix my windscreen, right? When the guy came to fix the windscreen, I was actually sleeping, because you guys can actually see I'm just waking up, right? By the time the guy said, is this your truck? And I said, yes. Is this the truck to replace the windscreen? And I said, yes. But I was still in my sleep, right? By the time I actually wake up, my windscreen was replaced. I don't know how to even actually say it any better, but my windscreen was replaced within, honestly, 15 seconds. No, or less. No, honestly. And guess who replaced windscreen? A Jamaican. His card, if you guys can see, I just took his card. But his card, I told him to leave. Hold on, because I have to talk to you guys while I look at it. Hold on.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Okay, YouTube, this is the card that the guy leave. It said auto body glass, truck and car windscreen. So he roll up in a mobile van. The van is right there right now. So it said stone chip repairs and all window replacement and water leak replacement. Simple mean if you ever like all these Freightliners like to leak, this guy will get it fixed. So yeah, Jamaican again, I like that style. I like it. See, you drive that white van. That's a van, mobile van he drove. So trust me, there's a windscreen. You guys can, it may look like I'm looking outside. Well, I'm actually looking outside. Yeah, it may not look like there's a windscreen on the glass. Oh man, well, these things maybe can't tell you. But yeah, I mean, my windscreen is in seconds. Oh man, that's, yeah. Never give him promotion. I'm not like, I never get him name still. But I mean, that's it. You know, really. Anyway, windscreen fix. Moral of the story is my windscreen got fixed in 15 seconds by a Jamaican. Nice. Big up. 1-3. Try stars. That was a short video. You know what I mean? Just to promote another brother. Did a good job. And the windscreen was very reasonable. Honestly, when I said reasonable, it's half the price I was gonna pay for it. Half the price I was gonna pay for the windscreen. Just the windscreen. I'm not talking about labor. No, he's giving you the labor and the windscreen for half the price of a windscreen. Okay, cool. Mississauga, Toronto. Mad. Try stars.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.